What are you doing? You're about to see the exciting thing that I'm about to be doing. I'm so excited. It's 8:15, and I'm actually gonna do what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be cold. I need you. Boop. Oh yes. That's what I need. Yeah. Also gonna need you, baby. I can't wait. It's gonna look so sick. Best thing about all this, you haven't even seen the best bit yet about them wheels. You'll see in a minute. Hello there.
Are you going to record yourself now?
Yeah, I'm just walking around. And they come with these.
Oh, even better.
Best stuff I've ever bought for my car, honestly. Copper ease, honestly. Any bolt come out like a dream and you gotta maintain it. This is cool. I'm a fan, honestly. Don't think yeah, you can. Oh, that looks so sick. Oh. Right, let's get them over. It needs lowering, definitely. But when it's lowered, it's gonna look fucking lovely. Oh yeah. What a shot. So the grub for this evening. What we got? Chicken.
Jalfrezi, I think.
Jalfrezi. Oh yeah. On the go. Our light broke as well, so I'm using my torch as a light at the moment. Because of the light over there. Has no battery. There's Samantha. Hello.
Hello.
So having some rice duty. I'm on chicken and getting food poison duty. Update on the curry. Actually looks well nice.
It does, it's looking good.
It does, looks lovely. Let's get some poppadoms out. There you are. I'm going to put the garlic and that in there. Poppadom? Poppadom for you?
Poppadom for me.
Poppadom for you. Oh yes. This is amazing. I love it. If there was, what's the saying? Smell when you smell through.
Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. If there was smell-o-vision right now, you'd be in heaven right now. Whoa, smell-o-vision. Morning. We made it. We're up. What's the time? 5:30?
10 to 6.
10 to 6. So we're up, ready for the day. And yeah, we're gonna see how long it's gonna take us. Probably about 45 minutes to get to the place where we're gonna go to our walk. Yeah, this is what we've got to wake up to. Absolutely beautiful day for it. And we got the coffee on the go. Oh yes. And I can hear sheep. The first waterfall of the day. Can't even see it. There she is, can you see her? Streaming. Oh yeah. That looks so sick. I didn't hit my head then. No, yours is more like...
It's like my upper body doesn't move.
It's like, yeah, your head doesn't move. No.
How should I walk? Like this.
I do, I proper walk like that. I can't help it. Can't you think though, you can tell by the way people walk,
Yeah.
like who it is, you know what I mean? Like, you can tell how they walk. Like,
Yeah, oh definitely. You're very aggressive with that hat there.
very aggressive with the hat. We just scaled down that, just down that way. Oh, that is the other waterfall. Yoo! That looks sick. Oh, how'd they get on that? There must be a way. This is the second waterfall of the day. It looks amazing. Looks so good. And we made it back to the van. Oh yes. Done it. 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours. It's lovely. It's not bad at all. Oh. So we've just done our 4 waterfalls. It was actually sick. It was amazing. And now we're going to go try find a petrol station or something just to fill up. And then we're going to go to the second campsite. Don't know. I haven't even looked at it, so we'll have to go see. We'll have to see. Fucking Jesus! He's wagging it. Dangerous drivers, people. Jesus Christ. Whoever that Mini was, you're a very silly person.
Yeah.
Jesus, fat pothole. That's probably my one thing about this place. Potholes are like fucking boulders in the road. Fucking massive. Right, so we've arrived at the second camp spot of the day. So there's Bluebell over there, you can see her in the distance. Samantha's gone to sleep because she's tired after her hike of the day. So I'm now going, I just spoke to the farmer whose field we're on, and he said apparently at the bottom of this hill, yeah, so down there, which I'm going to now, apparently there's a natural spring pool. So I'm going to go down there and explore. I've got my swimming trunks and I'm going to go and dive in. Honestly, I'm hoping there's going to be some like little jump or something, or a little cliff dive. I can go into it, but I'll have a look, see what I can find. I'm excited, can't wait. Right, we're getting ready to go in. I'm excited. It looks lovely, the water looks clear. I don't know if you can see it. The water looks clear, it looks nice. But I'm going to have to get changed. Hold on. Totally haven't got my cock out right now. No. No, Oscar. I don't have my cock out. Absolutely not. Oh, yes. Oh. Now that, can't even see me, that is chilly. That is freezing, honestly, but it's lovely. It's better. I don't know what it is about spring water, right? But it's unreal. Like, it just it's just so nice. So clear. It's cold, don't get me wrong. But boy, it's lovely when you're in there. Natural beauty. Beauty. I'm gonna make my way back to Samantha. She's probably gonna be passed the fuck out. So I've got to be a little bit quiet. Or I just go in and go, fuck yeah. So we've just got back to the campsite. We've got on our campsite ready. We've got a fire on. It's lovely. We've got our coffee. We've got our snacks. You know what's going on. Samantha's here. We're loving it. Honestly, it's so nice. And this is the scenery we've got today. Well, tonight. The guy next to us is well sound as well. We were chatting to him. He's down from Nuki. Yeah, it's cool. He's got a pretty cool little van. He was showing us inside. I'll show him the inside of our T4 as well. But yeah, it was cool. Alright guys, we're going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy our evening. What time are we going to wake up tomorrow? probably 5ish. We're gonna get up at 5 and then we're gonna go do our walk around them forests over there, because I got chatting to the farmer when we got here. So when I got chatting to the farmer, he was telling us about some walks that he would recommend to go on. So we're gonna do that tomorrow morning, get up nice and early, go have a shower, go sort ourselves out, and then go on the walk. I think that'll be a good plan for tomorrow. And then what time? We'll probably get back home probably like early afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, sort of time. But yeah, you'll see us tomorrow. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna probably have a good night's sleep. Peace out. Have a good one. We're in. Let's go. What's that? Is it ships? Let's go have a gander. This is lovely. Have a little stream. Oh yeah, ships. 2 baby sheep. Well, there's a baby sheep there. And a baby sheep peering through the fence. Ah. Hello. From Wales. This is authentic lamb and sheep. Yeah, look at it. Wow. Look at that. That's lovely and soft. Yeah, honestly. Is he going to do it back? Got a little fight going on. Oh, where's that one gone? Oh, yeah, I see it. It's just in the bushes over there.
Oh yeah, look, they're gonna meet up.
That's right. I love it, honestly. You can probably see the summit of this little mountain over there. That's where we're going. Oh no, is that summit or that summit? I don't know, one of them. I think we're going up to that one. Little sheeps. Honestly, there's so many. Oh, there. Didn't see them two under there. No. And the 3. There's one over there in the back as well. Oh yeah, another one over there. They're everywhere. Sheeps. We made it, guys. What is the top? We made it. Woohoo! Looks bloody lovely, doesn't it? So, we're back home. Back home after our long adventure. Our amazing adventure. It was so good. Honestly, I'd recommend it to anyone. It was so good. Oh, mate, sick. All the information on this trip, I just wanted to let you know. I'm going to leave in the description all the places we went to, all the prices of everything. Make sure you do it, Brad. Make sure. Speaking to you in the future editing, Brad. It was amazing. The campsites we stayed at, the farm. I'm going to leave a review on that farmer's site because it was amazing. It was so good. It was incredible. As well, that I'm probably saying this wrong. Pentwyn, I think that's how you say it, the mountain range in South Wales. So when we summited it today, it was unreal. You got to the top and you could see so much around you. It was a bit gnarly coming down, but then we found the actual route to get down. Yeah. We basically just tried to rock climb it with no equipment. If you want to know more information, leave something in the comment. I loved it, Samantha loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I hope you loved it as well, as much as I did. Alright, peace out guys, hope you enjoy it. Take it squeezy, I guess, and I'll see you all again. Come back for another adventure. And like I say again, if you want to know anything, leave it in the comments. Don't need to like if you don't want to, it's up to you. It's a free world, isn't it? 2023, isn't it? So you do you, I guess. If you don't want to, stick up your ass. Alright, peace out guys.